wanna jump, you got it.
We found another waterfall. What's up, everybody? We got another journey today. We on the skis. Ski. We finna get into it, baby. It's a beautiful day on Lake Keowee. What's up, y'all? Now I know last time I came out to Lake Keowee, I know I actually slept on this place and actually didn't get to see everything that this place has to offer. So this time I made sure to explore a whole lot more, from massive lakeside homes to hidden waterfalls and even the golf course where my boy Cam pulled off one of the wildest golf shots you will ever see from a jet ski. Lake Keowee really surprised me this trip. Oh man, yo, this shit's fucking nuts. Crazy. This more we get up. Time it is. Oh yeah, y'all ready? Jump in. Y'all cut flips.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, it's deep right here.
Yeah. I'm trying to steal Ivan's machine.
Let me show y'all the definition of living, man.
Hey, this how you live it up on a weekday right here. Off on Mondays, baby. Even if you gotta tell their asses I'm sick. Get out and do something. Have a little fun. Someone don't
After testing out all of them, that small blue one might be the fastest, but this red baby right here, she got me by first impressions, man. We got to get on through. If you ever wonder how to get on the back of a kayak, it's simple. I'm gonna show you when you're out of the water. You look pretty athletic doing this.
I can kick it about.
Alright, so we are swimming. I'm about to show my followers how to get in on the jet ski, just in case you fall off or something. And you right here floating in the middle of the water. I don't know if you can see my feet, but pull on the back. Muscle. And you on. Just like that. Let's get it. I don't know about y'all, but this is what I call living right here.
Big money, boy. Make no damn sense. Now, you think these vacation homes or like somebody living there for real? I want to be there every day. Golly. You gotta have this back. I almost lost it, bro. Dead ass. You gonna catch the clip in the video. That damn thing went whoop. I almost lost the whole motherfucker. You got it. I appreciate it.
Man, I don't know, y'all. I think you do this thing to Jamaica, man. Like how they doing from from Florida. I think I can do it. This shit is dope as hell. This is when we link back up with Cam, the guy that we rented the jet skis from. In exchange of helping him shoot one of the craziest golf shots you will ever see, he offered us more time on the jet skis and even showed us the best spots on Lake Keowee. Holy fuck! I didn't even know. That's crazy, right? That's crazy. Oh man, this is dope. Found another waterfall. It's crazy. Hit the game. That's crazy. Hey, we was right here and didn't even know it. So yeah, if you're ever in the area of Lake Keowee, Lake Hartwell, or Lake Jocassee, hit up my boy at CaptainCamsWatersports.com. Now please keep in mind, this was no easy setup. It took us a couple tries, but after maybe 3 to 4 tries, we finally got the shot down.
One sec. Good. Yes, sir.
Worked out perfect, and this is what the final shot would look like. Shooting golf balls from the water, man, from the lake.
Dude, no one was golfing, dude. Where the boys have to head out.
Hey, we out.
Hey. Come right here. Yo, wait, Happy Gilmore style now, boy. Happy Gilmore style now, boy. You already know. That's swing, huh? Look at this. Look at this.
It's tough. You gonna jump? Oh no, I'm scared. I would though. Oh yeah! Shit. Oh!
Went right on my back, so I didn't go to Ohio. Like,
Yo, ready?
One a little bit north of here, and that's like double it.
Shit.
Oh man.
I did it with my girl, like, and I was up there and I was like, all right, maybe I shouldn't do this. And I was like, no, I'm up here, bro, and I did it. That shit was wild, bro. How deep is it? Honestly, I feel like my balls went into my fucking chest, dude.
That's what I feel like, yeah.
Dead ass, bro. That's what I felt. All right, you got me?
You ready?
All right, go. Yeah, I wish.
Oh! That's tough. That's tough. I don't know, man.
Yo, do a flip. I can't do a fucking flip.
Come on,
You told me to do a flip.
Yeah, because I can't do one.
I wish. All I can say is don't dive. That's it. Around this lake, and I'm gonna bring him to all the hot spots. And I'm gonna
Oh.
I'm gonna lose my sword.
That's
Heart pounding. Oh, there's no way.
you ain't gonna do it. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it.
Alright.
Every time I look over,
I know.
I'm about to go right now.
There it.
2, 1.
Oh, good shit, bro.
Did y'all see the front flip I hit?
Yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah, that shit hurt. Spit up blood.
For real?
Yeah.
What the hell did this dude just say spitting up blood? Took everything in me not to turn my ass back around.
Filming for YouTube or something? Or just yourself?
Yeah, YouTube.
Hell yeah, bro.
What's the shit called?
The Vernon Journey.
Burning.
Bro, I don't know, bro.
I'm trying to tell you. Come on, bro. You just want to eat shit on a front flip. You can't just jump straight off of it.
Make sure it holds down.
All right. Man, I'm not about to do it. Oh my God.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, you wanna run out? You wanna run out like you're gonna go dunk a basketball straight ahead? Come on, you got it, bro. Tell me if I can do it, you can do it. Stand up and get it.
Bro, I see what you went through.
Yeah.
What if I help you?
How?
I push you?
How about I push your ass?
5 or 3.
5.
4, 3. You gotta jump away from the
I can't do it, man.
God.
all the muscles, you can't jump off a rock.
Right, bro.
Hey, when you do this, you do anything.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead and count.
3 and a 2 and 1 and a jump. You got it.
Holy shit. That was dope. I did it, y'all. I fucking did it. Darren told me I could do anything, man. God damn. That was crazy. I never did no shit like that.
Thanks for joining me again. Lake Keowee did not disappoint. From the beautiful homes, hidden waterfalls, and even a wild golf shot off a jet ski. Big thanks to Cam for showing us around, and I can't wait to see where the next ride takes us.
This was an amazing trip, man. Shout out to Darren. This was dope. Appreciate y'all for watching. Be out.
Right here. All right, let's go. Awesome. Hey, catch it with your hand, bro.